Ajeni Otofeni o. Ajeni Otofeni, happy weekend. Happy weekend. My good people, my family, my brothers and sisters, my fathers, my mothers out there. Ajeni Otofeni. Mebu Naomi Nwokikpo. Ono marine, ono resolve Lady Gold, no part 2. Lady Gold, no part 2. Give yourself joy. No time to check time. No time to check time. If you know, we ono na lenjine posa ndi na ono ọrụ now. Ndi ni office m. Ebe ma chọrọ ife na-eri na akwa ụkọ na akwa ife now, right now. So ofu ife nloni, mama ife nloni ụmụ mi webe wonu ma oriri ọkụmari o agwa mụ no shi mbọ ncha. Oriri kwa arịọ ncha. Ụmụ ikom ka anyị kike meneso na ekpere. Ka anyị kike meneso n'ime ekpere. Ife shi n'ukuchi ka anyị kike meneso n'ime ekpere. Agha obi ụnọ. Agha imusu. Agha obodo. Agha mgbata obi. Agha ụnọ. Anyị kike meso na ekpere. Ife shi no posa na ife na nwati ife tụnụ menya. Nashi no kushika mbe kwe. Eshu nyaro kumake kwe. Bokwe na nku. Na mashi wake nini. Ife na-eme ka ife eme. Oge marụ da. Oge marụ na afọ aka. Ye enwe iku. Ye enwe ibe. Ye enwe ụmụ iku. Ye enwe ezinụlọ. Iba afọ aka onye mara na-ene. Iba afọ aka ye enwe oyi. Iba ata afụfụ ye enwe imusu. Ona amara ochi. O wa kenene. Imi musu maru. Onwowo ofu maru. Ishini dimma ni musu. Iwebe wono shunku na ele nunu. Odu ni musu modu ni musu onye ọbụla. Keshi na eburu webe megide miti ni musu. Imi musu. Imu no. Onwo ofu maru. Je ka posani ko ja kpaya for sife. Who is this now? Who is calling me? No onwo ofu maru. Je ka posani ko kpaya for meeting nu when eme nebel. Ụmụ ikom. Ọ dị mma. Ife si nkwele ni mmebu Naomi Nwokikpo. Unu je YouTube. Unu na afọ a. Oge anyị na-ememe otu onye na-eka. Otu onye na-eka foundation. Anyị yiwe ka dịka ọ na-eyi eshiba pụsa kete. Ọ si anyị adụwa na-ekubuse we ni o mekoshi oge no anyị na-ekubuse sa anyị na-eyi eka anyị na-emele ni giveaway. Ọba dịka shi mkpụmkpụ marụ shi anyị na-ewere na-achọ ife. Onwe ife anyị je na-achọ. Okikpo Naomi wobuse otu onye na-eka foundation na-ememe anyị na-ememe n'oge nda. Amarụ ome ọnụ ego banane. Onwe onye yenumego. Shuri na-ege. Onwe onye yenumego self. I'm saying it. Marishi onwe na-ege yenum. But anyị ji na-eru ife n'ebe. Come out and say it to the world. Naomi Nwokikpo. Anya be emete be agụ no were ihe ofu marụ. Keni tụrụ to my bone marrow. For real. Be agụ no were ihe ofu oke marụ. Bunishi. No na afọ aka no na alaso n'ime toilet n'ime n'ogo. Onwe onye funa ni n'ogo na afọ aka yo. Onwe onye funa that man n'ogo na afọ aka. Egufu no were ihe. Just quite all the way room gbaso ụmụ ikom. This man onye weji na edemeni shikoji na ihe nri n'eri ko be ego ko buke ya gbone. E shele waji ne gufu no kenu no up to date. Nde gunu no jini gare ni that compound we jeji ne ya bocha. We jeji ne shiwa ya jefifia. Ifanye no ni na busho na akwu emo. Emo ni ru no bocho ni we sho da ba sho onwoso. Onwoso now. Kedi torunum. We shingwe akpo imusu pokume. Sikwe nye no na ya umu ikomo kwani bem. Kwani to the world. Nkujo joashinomo. This man necessary onwe nwa. This man enwe nwa. Onwe gbo onso. Ko edi mene. Ofumaro ni musu we ko I don't know how come. We shu ebe nye no ado an nyiwe maro no no. We be nye ni mu na ya. We be nye ni mu na ya. Umu no no buchi uwe gu ni ye. Family gunu no wori ye. Family amare go ugo na afaka. Kwa di meni na ime pete ni sweji kwa nje nyifu that man. Ime pete ni sweji kwa nje nyifu that man. Suwe nyi maro ni muno. So that kwe kwa banu no kenunu. Ozu that man. Onyo bu na je ka sayo kunu no kenunu. Okay nwe peace, okay ngudo. Onwe fenje ka aro bet me were ye chuku na eka. Anyi ne were ye chuku na eka. Obushe kujawom omu ikom ono anu mmare. Onwe nwa. Onwe nwunye. Eguru uno were ye. Onwoso kita na we shuwa duwa na nyiwe maro ne muno jeje nyire ye ni mepete ni sueji. Wedi cheni. Oge we guru funu no ye. Oru ni 1 year. E were we go no were yufu. Okay she that man adi na enwe ego. Ego na bia we ye na eferi. We go no go we ye ri we sho onwoso. Kwe nye ni muna we sho be nye ni muna. Okwa ni keshi ni fedele nini. Omu wa keshi ni fedele nini. Because wa maru wa sho jini nye ni muna. Onye ka kwa ba na ibel. Obieke wan. Kenu we nye shi ni sueji. Onye obuna ye ka nori no kenu obieke we sana. Obieke wan because obo onye gunu no ke weri ye. Oshu enyine ni muna. You can still stay there. Easily stay there. He level the ground. Yes meant is ya kwa ba na ibebeti. Why? Wajin ye ni sueji. Wakasara ye ni menkwa ni me toilet ebo no before na. Okwani. Omuwa. Keshi ne fotanye mele. Ife shi ne ekwoku kenini umu ikom. Ani kejikeme ekpere kosa anyị chaje ka na ekpe. Ọ bụ ke shi sekuru na ame ekpere iso ya be ya. Iteshi no la ngede. Ogo bụ ne okike chukwu jini ba u mere chukwu jini basa inobi shi kpo chukwu ya mari shi chukwu bia makunu ye ka kpokwe. Kpokwo okike ke na nyini ụwa kenini anya mari banye bijeko. Uwa kenini anya mari banye bijeko ụmụkwani bikoni. Omowa bikoni nuno nye nwe ife enjoy ife ye. Onwoso fashi une nyi fashe ni sueji ni mepete. Why? Kash mbe kukala na weshi na omi ne kushi we. Ndena na abi iwe nda nneku. Na bushu nu nyeshi na ni muna ya. Onora shi na ebe. On rest ashi in peace. Une wera shi nwa maro na ofuzo. Belo ni shele nu nyire ni sueji shoka afuzo. Onye shi na afuzo, onye shi na anu egbo. Ifugbo ka enwe enya but na ofuzo. Elek ndem modi. Ndem mo we kporuwo reja kpochiwo isu kpochiwo ose enya. But wa afuzo. O mo wa bikoni. Unu nekume ebe anyị jeshiko kita na anya marewa. Onye ni nwe nu mere. Unu nete n'ime ngede. O nwere ofotu uje. Ya laso ni ngede teshi. Who is this that is disturbing my life? Unu neta ni mengede. Bola ikwe ni laso. Because of a little heart worry. You are boring. You don't know what to say. You make it lasso. You know that devil is at work. Just focus on your prayer. About yogi nishinoto teshinola iron. My iron is hot. About inishinoto teshinola isiso sepurane kiji pepere. Sometimes it's the one in the aquayele ni pepere. because you are married. Don't force yourself to sleep. Just focus on your prayer. Begin meditate. Neither akpoku chuku no mere. Because you are married. Chuku poteni no la weje nweli. You understand? Cherini. Chuku poteni no la. Chi pepere. Ya no ne beno beni no ne pepere no mere. Ole gelichi. Omo wa ifendana na wene madema. Ifendana na wene madema. Okay, wene kushikwa be enye no no akwa elefe shu no kel. Lere say yo nyozo. Egonu ikanara shi nikenu ilefune. The same problem continue because also vokasa. Chuku wese no onye eruni na ono. Ono anara say ya. Ekuna nshu egbona because he's a old man already. But if a woman etronne so ya shinkusho dem. Omo wa bikoni. Onu anyi neteshi anyi depa nwane ka nwanyi nobeli ni mengede uteshi anyi na force why you sleep now. No. Sarah you go labiana uteshi. Only what you want to do that time. What you need to do that time. Ego go tabola sone. Ine wero mere na meditate na akpoku chuku because there is something wrong somewhere. For working in ebe anyi toni so. Chuku iso ya mare na. Chuku mare no obi osa ncha. Ka anyị weri umere enyi na akpọkọ Chukwu ụmụnwa bikonu my people ke ngwa m ofoku ịmarishi dị na aspora ịdị n'obodo oyibo igunu nọ try ka igwe shi na ebede unless shi enwe nwa nọ ọ bụ shi nwere nwa nọ kenunu igunu no ya buru ke nwa ide no but osho obodo yibo ki no ebe maru no ya bo obodo ye ebe maru no ya bo obodo o sa ife nenu ino na je na aru no anwu ne ki ka nori na ebe ngono ko nweno landi siri na esa odiri ni Nigeria ya dị ni Nigeria na nne inweni keni nwekeri no Be happy because you have all those things. Try as much as possible. Be dick in Willie. Only option on a Ghana. Gun on a Ghana, king nor in a Ghana. Obviously, will not tell a Ghana, nor in a Ghana. King White Camon a Ghana. Buru PA in a bell. Because about Sunday General, about Sunday Gun no be no Budo Ibo Quena. Go be non as sending a nature. No, we can be con. All in when nene nare no be a good for in what they be when no choru moto choru kabu goru yewe kwa we na agba na yewe fineri ebi no ki no onye bona be pepere shi return make a passion na kobodo go and do what iwe bell ne kuma nda na je Nigeria anyị da na je Nigeria iru no onye fone ni amari shi ebu millions when look at you bia ko shi bu million wa amari shi eje. So we're not in Nigeria 1 month. Ke go in eka ke go for marriage 100,000. We ka go shi we nwe. Bi yo shi ni ebe ni nije. If we na yi ni moto we bu oka ke yo bia na bia. So you have to focus on your life wherever you are living. So we come focus on your life anywhere you are. This life no balance at all. This life no balance. Anything where you get, just hold and kokoroko because nobody know tomorrow. If you get to happen now, your family, they no go give your children anything. So now your children now you know. Care for yourself. If you get 20 naira, you want to eat anything you like, just eat and put for your body. Eat and put for your body because nobody is happy to see you. Nobody they happy to see you. This is my story. What make me they talk this one now? Something I experience many things. If you get 15 naira, it's an ice fish they hungry you. My brother, my sister, buy the ice fish. You cook and where you eat them. Because who you caught give yesterday, the day where you not get, he not go give you. Call person now make it borrow you anything, he not go get to. But for your present, he go bring a wallet, come out, money there inside. They not they pray for anybody. Now make me they always they tell on and say give yourself joy. Nobody wants see you they jolly. Now you be the happiness of yourself. Now you be the joy of your life. Give me, now everybody want to. But may you tell them, may they give you, they. Even though you build mansion, you build all these things. Everybody, many of them, they wait. Make your enemy fall. Make them enter. So, my people, this life no balance. It no balance at all. Now, this moment where now you know. Give your life joy. Give yourself joy. But they pepper me for that, my story. My people, I beg. Biko ni omowa. Iwe be wono. Omo ikumi iwe be wono. No o wa kenini. Eba anyị jeko anyị amari. Amari mi fa na acho. Ifo onye ọzọ. Uno ishimere anya. Gwasha. Were se nara ya n'ike. But Chukwu keke n'ụwa. O ka no. Nara sa ya n'ike. Yashi no photo maro when a bonoma, where bonoma see something like that. A will you a bulldozer, a bulldozer if a brutal. On the Quaba neighbor, Obieke Ruani, when I'm gonna bachi, we were at any rent. And they cannot any rent nebenuno. Obieke Ruani, because the spirit of that man, a can nowhere nor in Udo. Before 6 months, onye no acquire ndoza bayashi nebel. They can never live in peace for all those companies. Because maybe the man on the now, we can work kwaba no bu we no. We were at any rents. Nde can not in a rent. When not 6 months, and she come 1 year. Okay, where she 1 year self. Anything eka dik or money bill. Where Jafia, grapus on a bill. Where Joro, grapus on oro kel. Because the man no no obeyadi at rest. One engega na ajusha no miri ni sueji. One engega na ajusha na ajusha ma miri ni sueji. One engega wecha tefere we supo she na ebel. We nwe kudo. Nda ka kwaba na ebel. We ka pe goma. We mwashi nwa we nwe feke me nwa because I didn't engage anybody when omo. If I make a person na ebel because of all those things. Anyway, you can anari mari fe ye ni mbike all dem. All them. Oh, yeah, man, in historical in YouTube. Body carry is not last year, October, or September. This man was very, very happy. Yakwena, I cushion was on a near Nisweji, or Fumari Turushikaka, Wadwan, you were marono. If I can, one be more tronomy well, all them man, and when me first on Jake could carry this advice, can you kick a mess on it? Can you kick a mess on it? No more than half for any. She king. Onwe na afo eni shikiri jo efo especially a beautiful na atutu gweze ifu mu wacho ne bukshiki ba na pina no we paste also toto abeg you get paste give me if you wacho no do abeg obushi na pie to we shi waye we kobo shi chiko no osumiri we shi cheri kwa kuro fu cup la ogo obushi na ege gare we shi pe we kwa ya ko bukporu je leri ogo so mu ikum onwe na choko fu mari beye na shining that man that poor man spirit we tie the rent we kadima we tie anywhere kadima because obo enya ya obo we guye ne obo we ye na ife na ebe so oto ye na ka foundation adikashu ni moro no and adikashu na ro ko mo ko sha wadu ana akpo we fanya adu ana ememe we kwedi na akpo efa na ejele and diko ni meye oru anyi diko na eje Naomi woku ipo to ye na ka foundation diko ni me till tomorrow so ayashi obusho mo onye ke ye ka kpona anyi and diko ni meye umu iku ko di no gozo iwe jin ndu oba posachi na nyashi ndi no nene agwa mo no shundi no na kwa already nari kenji na eri mbutelo mbeke telo but I my design also ifonu choni so umwikum iwebe wono I need to go because ikwa ndene we ka agbalasha when idi na nwene chi nde marriage so ofia osubochi kendi ni meye god no go ozo umwikum ka anyi focus ni na ekpere we have to focus on prayer ekpere ne onwe ife ka manu wa kini ni una fo eka nchawa obi ocha efocha angore ye nwe ya angore let your yes be yes let your no be no. Obushi yenwe she real maro because if obune itefuni biko ogba wahala person ime so we be wono. Guys, I don't know yet. I love you all with passion. Bye, my people. One love. Bye.